Okay guys, as per the given sum, what we have is given P0, P1, P2, P3 and P4. Basically 5 processes. The allocation, max and available. What I have done is one step ahead in the sum. I have pre-calculated something which we call as the need matrix. To people who still have a doubt, let me make it very clear. Need matrix is max minus allocation. So basically is what is the maximum allocation you need subtracted from what has been already given, that is allocated to you. What will be left is a need matrix. So what you can see right now is a need matrix along with the available data. So let's go with one after another, what can be taken and what cannot be, in detail with the reason why and why not. So going with the first one, we'll be starting with P0. So when it comes to P0, P0's current need is 7,4,0, which is far greater than the available, which is 3,3,2. Hence rejected. So no changes, no nothing. Followed by that, we would be shifting to P1 in the series. P1's current need is 1,2,2, which is lesser than the available, which is 3,3,2. Hence, you would accept it. By saying accept it, what would happen? P1 would be allocated needed resources. So what would happen? When P1 gets the resources, basically, what will happen is available minus the need would be new available. So basically how it would work, something similar, 3,3,2 minus the need, that is 1,2,2. So the new availability would be 2,1,0. So after P1 gets over, P1 releases resources. So we say after P1 over, release resources would be added to available resources, would make again new available. So again let's see that what it would release. Okay, for us then you have to go and check what is the max needed. In current case this was 3,2,2, which was the maximum needed resources. When they release, it would be added with earlier available, that is 2,1,0. So new available would become 5,3,2 as per our working. So now we'll go and update available. Available is currently now 5,3,2. Now since we have said P1 is accepted, the next series in we will go is to work with P2. P2 require 6,0,0, which is still greater with the available of 5,3,2 as an end result. Hence we will reject. So we reject this. We'll move to the next one. Now since we have last rejected P2, we'll go to P3. So let's start with that. P3 need is 0,1,1, which is much lesser to the current available of 5,3,2. Hence accept. By saying accepted, P3 will get the resources needed. So then it would be 5,3,2, which is available minus the need, which is 0,1,1. So the new available A dash would look like 5,2,1. After P3 gets over, release resources, which are total resources which was priorly available with P3. Those 2,2,2 will be added to the earlier available of 5,2,1, which combine the total and we would get new available, which would be 7,4,3. So we would update further available again becomes 7,4,3. Going further with the next one, P4. So P4, which consists 4,3,1, which is much lesser to the current available of 7,4,3. Hence we would accept it. So available of 7,4,3 minus the need, which was 4,3,1, makes the new available, which would be 3,1,2. After P4 gets over, we would release P4 will release for whatever it has. It has 4 comma 3 comma 3, which would be added to the available earlier of 3 comma 1 comma 2. The new available becomes 7. So new available becomes 7 comma 4 comma 5. So we have this thing. Now if we remember, whatever we have accepted, let's understand. If we go from the beginning, we accepted P1 first. After that, we rejected P2. We accepted P3. We accepted P4. So if we go through the entire series, we are still left with P0 and P1. So we'll again start with them.